Hello. This is Shenzhen Wonda Tech Company Limited. We are producing dash cameras, dash cams, speed cams, and some radars. This is our new model of RD9. It's an anti-collision avoidance radar. We have two parts. One installed at the rear part of motorcycle or bicycle. The radar will transmit signals towards rear direction, and the radar will track up to 64 targets. And when it detects which lane the moving target is approaching, it will send the data to the front panel. We call it receiver, and the receiver will tell the moving targets from behind is from left or middle or right direction, and it will show you either on solid mode or flashing mode, depends on the urgency. This product can detect the range from 1 meters to 170 meters. It can detect the targets with moving speed from 0 to 250 km per hour. And it's also IPX7 protection, and with Type-C, easy for charging. And we have also a quick lock installation to attach or detach the products. Next is our another new product for motorcycle dashcam. This is our model D6. It's a dual 2K motorcycle dashcam. We have front and rear, and also we have a remote control for the riders to have easy access of the machine. It will automatically turn on and start recording after the ignition. And we have also race mode on the device to have more interesting and higher passion about the motorcycle sports. We have dual 2K dash cameras, and also it has electronic image stabilization function to make sure the recording is stable. And we also have a Ethernet transmission technology for this product. We have IP68 protection for this product, and we are selling these products to our customer with different types of mounts for different models of bicycle to make sure our clients have no problem on installation.